If you're thinking about getting sober, do not do these 3 things. Hey, my name's Kohdi. I'm going to be answering all of your questions about alcoholism. Do not talk yourself out of starting. Just because you've tried other practices and they didn't work for you, it doesn't mean that nothing is going to work for you. Too many of us try one thing like AA, it doesn't work, they knew it wasn't going to work, and then they just give up. Don't get discouraged and don't give up just yet, because a lot of programs out there aren't designed for someone like you. You may not fall into the category of people most likely to benefit from that specific resource. And don't forget to follow me if you like what I'm saying. So if AA, smart recovery, rehab, or detox didn't work for you, maybe it's time to take a look at Beyond Sober. Number 2, do not find reasons why you're better at managing symptoms instead of being better at preventing those symptoms from happening. Too many of us design our entire life around pain management. Got a hangover? Just drink more alcohol. Got a headache? Just take some more Advil. You don't like what they're saying? Just go in your room. That is a survival mindset. And unfortunately, when you're looking to get sober, that survival mindset doesn't apply when you're attempting to thrive in life, because you can't escape the emotions that are necessary for you to feel when you're getting better. So instead of finding reasons why the symptoms are worth managing, instead of designing a life that doesn't have those symptoms at all, remember, the energy you're using to struggle in place could be used to struggle forward. And if you are on your sobriety journey, do not develop a quitter's mindset and shame yourself into drinking longer than you have to. People call me a quitter every single day. Happy, healthy people that practice improving their quality of life know when to quit. As soon as something doesn't serve you, whether it's a person, place, or thing, it's okay to quit. But feeling like a quitter is toxic. And in Beyond Sober, we encourage you to completely disseminate all things considered toxic. Maybe it's your mom, or a friend, or that person, or that TV show. Toxic is toxic, and developing a quitter's mindset is one of the most toxic things you can do. Remember, if it's not moving you forward, it is holding you in place. And if you or someone you know is ready for a change, there are 4 sobriety resources on my page.